8 plus 2 parenthesis 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4. 8 plus 2 will give us 10. Then we have 10 parenthesis 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4. Now our parentheses, we have 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 into 3 places. Will give us 8. Then we have 8 divided by 4. We break down our 10 here. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. Then we have 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is equals to 20, which is wrong because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses, and in our parentheses, we have an exponent, which is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 places, which is 8. Then we put down our parentheses, break down our 4 here. Then we have 8 plus 2 parentheses 8 divided by 4. Now our parentheses, 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. Then we have 8 plus 2 times 2. Then we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to solve our multiplication first because multiplication comes first before addition. And mind you, whenever you see a number close to a parenthesis, know that there's a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication here. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. 12 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.